Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the auto brightness isn't working properly on your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. First of all, toggle the auto brightness in settings in the display section on the sidebar. Disable it, then enable it again and see if it started working better for you. And in case it didn't, you can clean the ambient light sensor, which is located near the frontal camera, but generally I recommend just wiping the entire screen of your tablet with a microfiber cloth if you have one in store, or if you don't, then instead you can use a dry towel. And once you cleaned all the sensors, restart your tablet by pressing and holding down the power button and volume down key together. Select restart and wait until your device is restarted. And once your tablet is restarted, check if the auto brightness quality has improved for you. And if it didn't, then don't worry, maybe that's a software issue. In such case, you have to go to settings, and in settings, scroll down to the software update on the sidebar, tap download and install. Make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile network, and check if your software is up to date. If it's not, then take your time and install the latest software version for your tablet. And if it's up to date, then the last option, the last thing that you can do is resetting all the settings by going to General Management on the sidebar, then select Reset, swipe down and select Reset All Settings, then confirm by pressing right here. This will not erase any of your data, but it will reset the security, language, accounts, and personal data settings. It actually, I just misinformed you. It will reset all settings beside all of these settings. Once the settings are reset, restart your tablet and check if the auto brightness started working better for you. And if it didn't, then if it didn't start working better for you, then the last option is reaching out to Samsung customer support service, because at this point this might be a hardware issue and not a software one, and tell them about your problem, and maybe you're gonna have to send your tablet to them for repair. But still, I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.